Yo, yo, yo. Holy shit, guys. What's up? Everyone okay? Man, to be honest, I'm happy. Well, not with the news, of course, but that we finally have some movement, you know? Holy shit. Took long enough, right? Can everyone hear me? See the Bitcoin charts? August, what's up? Dixie, Vivian, Alexander, Tasty, Corky, Shibi, DJ Brass, Onur, loud and clear, awesome. So yeah, it's just gonna be, I hadn't planned that I was going to live stream today because I already posted the video, but I mean after this, seemed like a fun idea to just give some thoughts, you know. Yeah, it would be classic Bitcoin to get a bottom structure on news like this, if the news stays like this, you know. If there's even worse news coming out, yeah, then we probably accelerate, and that wouldn't be a good sign. But if things stay like this, I could see us definitely bottom in this region. We've taken all key liquidity to the downside. We've swept last month's low. That's very key, in my opinion. We don't have that much of a wick to the upside, which is also a good sign, in my opinion. Weekly doesn't have a top wick, also a good sign in my eyes. And we've swept this obvious key range low level down here, right? If we take a look at that weekly candle, that breakdown, it's a little bit the same than on the monthly, you know? See this weekly breakdown candle? And now take a look at the monthly. See this candle? It's a little bit the same, so what you want to see here now on Bitcoin, so if this is the sweep, then on the weekly, then this is where we're at right now. So potentially some ranging below is fine, you know, something like this and another sweep, and then you want to see a big pump and a massive close back inside. Or if it decides it wants higher already, obviously that's fine as well, but this is going to be the main range that we work with. I'm already in longs. I feel like this is a good opportunity. I did exactly the same on the FTX news down here, and it paid off big time. So that's what I said. If there's not anything new coming out, we could be good for much higher, in my opinion. But yeah, this, by the way, I'm not full bull here, you know, but I do think this area which we just tested is an area where we either bounce from or we see a lot lower. As I've been saying for weeks, this area, right, was key for me on the high time frame. If we close the weekly below this blue area, then I think we trade all the way back towards 22 and potentially even below 20k again. But until then, I just see this as high time frame support. Shorted first when I saw the news. Nice. A lot of coins in some interesting areas. Yeah, for sure. Still holding Litecoin. Nope, I closed it as soon as the news came out, around break even. I round tripped Litecoin. I was up quite a bit on Litecoin, but I was targeting this range high, as you guys probably had seen. I was long from around here with my stop there and target there, something like this. So initial reaction was pretty damn good, but then the news came out and I just closed around here. Proper FUD. Hello, I can't pronounce your name, but hello. What's the news? I'm long Pepe from sub 001. Theo, nice man. My nice news is such a bottom news. We'll see, you know. Don't blindly risk all your money on buying into this, because this could be serious news, you know. It's always safer after news like this to just let the dust settle. Like, when I first started, I would now rush into trades, shorts, longs, risk a lot because the market's volatile. But man, if you don't know what you're doing and you didn't have a plan ahead of the news, just let the dust settle and come back fresh, you know. If you got stopped out of your longs, so be it, you know. There will always be another trade. Let the dust settle, as I said, and come back fresh tomorrow. Price leaving 2 months of consolidation. I'm not bullish. Potentially, we'll see. But what if it reclaims that price action? Trying to knife catch, but keep getting burned. Yeah, in situations like this, what you don't want to do, in my opinion, is long every dip with a stop below the wick. But then, because then it wicks lower and lower and lower, and you get stopped out every single time and burn your account. That's what I'm saying. I tweeted it out, you know. I said time to focus on your high time frame levels now. Stay focused, patient. But these news events have offered great entries in the past. So what I mean is, zoom out, right? And look at where price is trading towards. If it's coming into an area of your interests and you have a clean validation and your ID is valid, then why not? But constantly trying to catch the knife, yeah, well, that's not the play. Take a look at DYDX. It's flying, for real. Oh yeah, it's an exchange token. Yeah. Damn. Woo, maybe too. Nope. Litecoin was good while it lasted. Glad I got out 2 days ago. Thanks for helping me get some gains. Hey, nice man. My trade is based on the H4 FEG on Pepe. I was watching for weeks. So many retests and sweeps on a lot of alts. I just see opportunity today. Oof, yeah, that's big sweep of liquidity. Yeah, that makes sense. Is there a chart with more data? Oh yeah, this one. Oof, yeah, nice. Although these lows look clean as well. But as I said, either the lows are already in, or we're probably going a lot lower. But this is clean. Clean range. Yeah, very nice. We'll probably close inside the range again. Let's see, man. I'm bull above 26,750, no point long in here. Well, that's your system. XRP still looks decent. Woo. XRP. Oof. Yeah, into key area as well. But nah, it's XRP, you know. Let's see ETH actually. See, also retesting these range lows. Still got a lot of lows below though, but also above. ETH is still in the same stupid range. Let's see if we remove all of these. Where's liquidity gonna be resting? Zoom out. Yeah, see? Monthly. Last month's high. Last month's low. Weekly. Low swept, high unswept, and as you can see, also dumped straight from the open. So for ETH, it's pretty clean. If we either bounce from this area, big, okay, back to these highs, or it's off to this green area, which is this weekly consolidation that led to the upside. This sweep, you know, this low resting right above the area. So either we bounce here or it's down to there. Yeah. We'll see. ERA. Some Bybit. What's this? Is this something new? Damn. Let's see which coins. ID. Holy shit. Straight to new lows. I mean, to be honest, I'm glad this happened. Even if we get bigger flushes on alts and on Bitcoin too, then probably. But I think these will, now we have some nice levels to work with, you know, either long, look for longs if we get back inside those ranges, or shorts if we reject. Sui. Pwah. This was one I liked. Yeah, see? We had these equal lows here. But we already took the highs. But this is definitely an interesting area for me. I like this coin. Render. Let's see. Yeah, see, this was my exact plan. Covered this in the last live stream. We said high time frame was looking good, but low time frame we might need some downside first. Take some lows, exactly. You remember, like we saw here. That's what I was watching. So could even go lower and still be bullish, I think. Consolidate here, then something like this. Take these lows as well. These, boom, and then something like this. I'm only in a small long on Bitcoin, by the way. Nothing big. Wide stop, super wide stop. It's like below 24 even. Okay, so don't think I'm full bull here, but it's interesting to watch Ape lol. CFX. Nah, not liking this. It's a classic look of, you know, crap down here and then boom, and then just bleeding all the way down to its origin, so long way to go. Damn. Blur. See, that's what I mean. That's one of my favorite setups. If you've got a range with the highs unswept and the lows get swept, you know, and then reclaim, buy the retest, target the highs. Sad that these highs got swept already, but yeah, you could make your range like this. Let's see mid-range. Yeah, it's still pretty pivotal mid-range, as you can see, but we'll need proper confirmation for that, you know. We don't know yet if this is the breakdown that sent us a lot lower, or if this is the sweep and reclaim that sends us higher. But I definitely might be looking for some longs, some more longs very soon. Lena. Phew. Let's see, this weekly. But it also swept last week's low. Yeah, but I think there's cleaner charts out there. I don't like this one. Look at these wicks. I don't know. Not clean. A scale. Phew. FTM. What's Matic doing? Still held pretty okay. Soul. Where's Soul? See, these haven't done that much, to be honest. So if they manage to get in a nice close, I like Sol as well. Clean highs above, and this is demand until it fails. What's this? Long stop. Just lost 1k set. Hey, next time's yours, man. Keep your head up. Don't do anything stupid right now, trying to make it back. There will be way more opportunities in the markets. Feel free to leave a like, by the way, on the live stream. Subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't already. We're going for 10k. So sub. Doggy. Anything interesting that you guys are watching at the moment? Welcome, Karel. Lady? You mean this one? You French sound French. No, I'm not. Well, I'm Belgium. I can speak a little bit French, but I'm from the Flemish part, so yeah. Is this the chart with the most data? Like, why would you try anything with this if there's cleaner charts out there with more previous price action and stuff, you know? Unless you're short from higher up, but why would you try to knife catch this instead of focusing on cleaner charts with clean levels to work with? Bir. Yeah, still in the same stupid range. So I'd wait for a massive weekly close, buy the retest, send it a lot higher, or wait for the sweep of the lows, reclaim, and then look for longs. But inside this range, it's just gonna chop you up. We are in the same time for third time. There must so much liquidity and liquidations in the area. 25.3. I don't believe we won't take it and just continue up. Possibly, we'll see. We're gonna like GMX. Interesting. Yeah, this is a nice chart. You're right. Because kilos got swept into demand. And yeah, you see what I like about this one? All of these weekly highs. See, none of them have been taken. Yep, I like this. Nice sketch. Edu already did. Blur already did. RPL, what's that? Nah, pure chop. Clean lows below. Don't like this. Could add a lot lower. And also swept the highs here. Swept high time frame highs, low time frame highs, low time frame highs, and clean lows all the way. So I don't really like this. Can you give your reasoning on longing Bitcoin? Because I feel this too much of big news to long. I don't know though. Yeah, it might be much smarter to wait for the dust to settle, but it's just a high time frame area for me that I've been watching for ages, and I don't care if it's the news that sends Bitcoin there or if it's nothing that sends Bitcoin there, or you know, they're gonna come up with the reasoning for a move anyways. They're gonna tell you this is why we moved there, you know. And now the reason is going to be, yes, it's because of the Binance FUD news. Well, FUD, it's because of the Binance news that we went there. Well, okay, that's fine. But I'm not gonna move away from my plan to long there if the reasoning is different, you know. I trade the chart and nothing else. And that's done me good much more times than bad. And from my experience, shorting bad news and longing good news, yeah, on the high time frames at least, you know, for quick scalps, if you're early, yeah, then obviously. But high time frame, like, it was exactly the same. The bullish news marked the top in 2021. Bullish news marked this top, and bearish news marked this bottom. COVID, bearish news marked this bottom. FTX, and who knows whatever this is gonna do, you know. But why would you move away from your initial plan just because the reasoning we moved there is different? That doesn't make sense. And yeah, of course, if more news comes out and it's even looking worse and we nuke straight through, so be it. But then I followed my plan, and then I'd rather get stopped out but have followed my plan than not taking it, or just changing my plan because of the news and then seeing it rip and regretting it. You know, does that make sense? Why does your voice sound like this? Yeah, I'm a little bit ill from the weekend. What do you think when we can see a mini alt season? I don't use the word alt season, man. There's never going to be an alt season ever again. There you have it. What's alt season? Altcoins going up? Well, if the setup's there, take it. It's pretty funny. The The Bitcoin chart is so clean though, way cleaner than others. Yeah, for some. Guys, let's get the likes to 30 at least. Come on. Give it a like. ETH Bitcoin lol. Maybe better to long ETH. But yeah, I'm taking it easy, you know. But I just want to have some exposure. Right, any more questions? Requests? Otherwise I'm gonna go eat something. Inch. Where is it? Yeah, it's pretty nice as well. Nah. Although, also looks like your classic big pump and then off to the highs, lower high, and now swept the highs again, fake pump, and now the classic bleed, lower, you know, all the way into the origin of the move. So I'd be patient with this one and wait for a reclaim of this. That's the area we started dumping from, lining up it with the high we swept and these highs, you know. So if we get a daily close above here, then buy the retest and then we can target new highs. But for now, looks too much like this was deviation and we could go for these lows next. All right. Okay. So it was just a quick one, giving some thoughts on some coins. But I take it easy, you know. After news like this, better to let the dust settle and go from there. So we'll see where we're at tomorrow. We'll probably post another YouTube video tomorrow with my thoughts. Posted one today as well, and I even said I was bearish, looking for at least a sweep of these lows and potentially these, so that's good. Bias was right. We waited for our plans, and now we'll have to see, you know, but I'm following my plan. I don't care what cent price here. I'm gonna stick to my plan. Okay, and go from there. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be in the Discord if you have any questions. leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.